The iPad mini has always been the rebel of the Apple family. It is the device that critics said should not exist, the one that seemed too small to matter in a world obsessed with bigger screens and larger batteries. Yet year after year, it has survived. More than that, it has built a loyal following that refuses to let it die. As we move deeper into 2026, something has clearly shifted inside Apple's strategy. The company is no longer treating its smallest tablet like an afterthought. With the upcoming iPad mini 8, Apple is preparing to redefine what a compact device can be. This is no longer about creating a budget-friendly option for casual users. This is about building a pocket-sized powerhouse that challenges not only other tablets, but even full-sized laptops. For years, the iPad mini quietly lived in the shadow of larger devices like the iPad Pro and the MacBook Pro. It received older processors, recycled displays, and conservative upgrades that kept it relevant but never revolutionary. It was dependable, portable, and charming, but never dominant. That narrative appears to be ending. The leaks and insider whispers suggest that Apple has recognized something important. The Mini is not just a smaller tablet. It is a different category entirely. It serves pilots who mount it in cockpits, doctors who carry it through hospital rounds, students who annotate notes between classes, gamers who want console-quality performance in their hands, and digital nomads who need power without bulk. The heart of this transformation is the new A19 silicon. Built on an advanced 3nm process, this chip represents a massive leap in both efficiency and performance. In previous generations, the Mini's compact frame limited thermal performance, forcing Apple to throttle speeds to prevent overheating. With the A19 architecture, efficiency becomes the secret weapon. The chip is engineered to sustain peak performance for longer periods without generating excessive heat. That means no more uncomfortable warmth during extended gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. It means smoother exports for video edits and faster rendering for 3D models, all on a device that fits in a jacket pocket. The GPU improvements are equally dramatic. Reports suggest a performance jump of nearly 40% compared to the previous generation. For mobile gamers, this changes everything. The Mini is no longer limited to casual titles. It becomes a platform for AAA experiences, complete with advanced lighting, high frame rates, and hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Imagine playing a graphically intense action game on an 8.3-inch screen that feels as responsive as a console. Imagine editing 4K footage or running complex creative applications without compromise. The Mini is stepping into territory that was once reserved for much larger machines. Yet performance is only part of the story. The display has long been a point of debate among Mini fans. Earlier versions were locked at 60 Hz, which felt increasingly outdated as other Apple devices embraced higher refresh rates. Complaints about jelly scrolling and visual limitations were persistent. With the iPad mini 8, Apple appears ready to silence those concerns. The introduction of a 120 Hz ProMotion display transforms the user experience. Every scroll becomes fluid. Every Apple Pencil stroke feels immediate. Every animation appears alive and precise. Once you experience ProMotion on a compact canvas, it is difficult to return to anything slower. Beyond refresh rate, the shift to tandem OLED technology could be the most visually striking change. Tandem OLED panels, previously introduced in premium models, offer deeper blacks, higher brightness, and improved energy efficiency. On an 8.3-inch display, that level of contrast and vibrancy creates an almost surreal sense of immersion. Watching HDR content becomes cinematic. Editing photos outdoors becomes practical thanks to dramatically higher peak brightness. Even reading text feels sharper and more natural against perfect blacks. The Mini's screen would no longer feel like a compromise, it would feel cutting-edge. Design-wise, Apple is expected to maintain the familiar flat-edged aesthetic while refining materials and durability. The compact aluminum body will likely remain, but with improved internal layout to maximize battery efficiency. Despite its size, battery life is rumored to see meaningful gains due to the efficiency of the A19 chip and the OLED panel. This balance between power and longevity is critical. A device this portable must last through long workdays, flights, and travel without constant charging. One of the most transformative aspects of the iPad Mini 8 lies in its integration of advanced artificial intelligence features. Apple's vision of AI is not about flashy demos, but seamless assistance woven into daily workflows. With a significantly upgraded neural engine, the Mini becomes a real-time transcription machine, an intelligent note organizer, and a creative collaborator. Meetings can be transcribed instantly. Notes can be summarized automatically. Context-aware suggestions can streamline tasks without requiring manual input. Because the Mini is small enough to carry everywhere, it becomes the primary gateway to these AI capabilities. Imagine sitting in a cafe with nothing but your Mini. You record a conversation, and within seconds, the device generates structured notes. You sketch a rough concept, and AI refines it into a polished visual draft. You draft an email, and intelligent suggestions optimize tone and clarity. This is not just convenience, it is a redefinition of mobile productivity. The Mini becomes the assistant that understands your context, anticipates your needs, and works quietly in the background. Connectivity also plays a major role. With upgraded Wi-Fi standards and advanced 5G integration, the Mini is positioned as a true on-the-go workstation. Cloud gaming, remote desktop access, and real-time collaboration become seamless experiences. For professionals who rely on constant connectivity, this reliability transforms the device from a secondary gadget into a primary tool. Apple Pencil support remains a cornerstone feature. On a smaller screen, precision matters even more. The improved refresh rate and reduced latency make drawing and handwriting feel natural and immediate. For artists, the Mini becomes a portable sketchbook with studio-level responsiveness. For students, it becomes a digital notebook that feels as fluid as paper. The combination of ProMotion, OLED clarity, and Apple Pencil accuracy elevates creative expression in ways that previous Minis simply could not match. Storage configurations are also expected to reflect a more professional focus. Higher base storage options acknowledge that users are no longer treating the Mini as a casual browsing device. They are editing videos, storing large design files, and running demanding applications. Apple seems to understand that if it positions the Mini as a serious productivity tool, it must eliminate the limitations that once defined it. There is also a psychological shift happening. By equipping the Mini with top-tier components, Apple sends a message. Small does not mean lesser. Compact does not mean compromised. In an industry where larger screens often signal higher capability, the iPad Mini 8 challenges that assumption head-on. It offers a different philosophy, maximum performance in minimal space. This philosophy resonates strongly in 2026. As remote work, travel, and flexible lifestyles become standard, portability becomes priceless. Carrying a lightweight device that rivals laptop performance feels liberating. The Mini's resurgence reflects a broader cultural shift toward efficiency and adaptability. People want devices that fit into their lives, not devices that demand rearranging their lives around them. Even entertainment benefits from this transformation. Streaming high-definition content on a tandem OLED display with immersive audio enhancements creates a premium media experience. Gaming becomes console-like. Reading ebooks feels intimate and distraction-free. The Mini becomes the perfect balance between smartphone convenience and tablet immersion. The iPad Mini 8 represents more than a routine upgrade. It symbolizes Apple's renewed respect for its most unconventional tablet. After years of incremental updates, the Mini is poised to leap forward with confidence. It embraces cutting-edge silicon, a revolutionary display, advanced AI integration, and meaningful battery improvements. It stands not as the smallest member of the family, but as one of the most ambitious. For longtime fans who have defended the Mini through every rumor of cancellation, this moment feels validating. The Rebel has evolved into a powerhouse. The underdog has become a statement. In 2026, the iPad Mini 8 is not just surviving, it is leading a quiet revolution in compact computing. And if the leaks prove accurate, the internet will not just notice, it will erupt.